I'm going to show you how you do the that. So first you take your hand like this and you make like, put your fingers down like this and you put your thumb over top, put your pinky up. You'll have like a little tunnel you can look through, and you just say girl into it. Make sure your fingers are in tight, like compact tight. And just go and get your thumb here and you can also do it like this. But when you get good at it, you can go